This will be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the Bookmarks bar in the Maxthon web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Maxthon web browser opened up now. As you can see up top here, I have my bookmark bar enabled. It should be enabled by default, but to hide or show the bookmarks bar in the Maxthon web browser, there's a few different ways you can do it. Probably the best way is to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane, off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Appearance. And then right down here in the interface section, you can see right down here, Show Bookmarks Bar. By default it should be enabled. If you uncheck that, now you can see my bookmark bar disappeared. And to enable it, you just want to check Show Bookmark Bar. As long as that's checked, your bookmark bar will be showing. Another way to access it, if you go up a little further up here, you can see it says Show Bookmark Menu button. If you have as long as that is checked, you can go right up here to the top where you see that star. You can click on that star, and right here, Show Bookmark Bar. You can uncheck it to hide it. I'm going to click on the star again, and you can check it to display the bookmark bar. That is how you hide or show the bookmark bar in the Maxthon web browser. Thanks for watching.